Okay, let's check out this frame before we start filming. We got the kitty in the video, which is super cute. Wait, do you see like right here on the ground? That's not a dildo, even though it looks like it is. It's a pair of scissors. Is there anything else incriminating? I think we're good. That other thing that looks maybe like a dildo, that's a rock. I gotta be chewing this gum while I talk. Is it annoying? But I just ate and my belly's over full, and chewing this minty gum helps settle my stomach a little. Can I please share my thrift haul with you? You guys are my best friends, and if I can't share it with you, who the fuck am I gonna share it with? I mean, the cat doesn't give a fuck what I bring home. Anytime I'm out running errands, and if there's thrift stores on the way, even if they're a little bit out of the way, I'm stopping. Thrifting is my happy place. I don't even care if I get anything. Just going and browsing, it just makes me feel so nice. You know how thrift store prices have been getting insane lately? There's this one thrift store near me that is just so fucking crazy. I'm just like, what? Anyways, my favorite thing to do at thrift stores, all the thrift stores, is find the things that are valuable that they missed. This is not really too valuable, but they definitely didn't overprice this. Look at how cute this little, ooh, look at, here's you guys. Let's see the bottom of my face. Ooh. Oh, you know what? This is like a good giant Coke mirror. This is only $5. I spent less than $20 on all this stuff, which I love finding cheap treasures. No, they're not cheap. They're priceless, but for a little bit of monies. And I found this big bag of spiders for $3. Oh, I didn't even see this one. This one's nasty. Oh my god, it's gross. Ooh. Oh, he's gonna get me. We're gonna make like a face thing with this. A hat. Some face jewelry. I thought this was a velvet one. This is cool. Can you... Wow. There's so many in here. Oh god, it's so... Oh, it freaked me out. I love spiders, but they freak me out. Look at that. Oh gosh. I think these ones are going to be glow in the dark too. So all these little spiders, I'm going to put them on a dress. So we'll do that together at some point. $3. As much as I try, I never kill spiders. I always catch them and set them outside. Let's open it. This was $4. I was hoping that these were going to be glass. Oh, they're plastic, motherfuckers. What the fuck am I going to do with these now? So my original plan, have you guys seen the movie Pollyanna? I haven't watched it since I was a kid, but there's one scene in this movie where this woman has her whole room filled with prisms. And the sun is coming through it, and the whole room is covered in rainbows. And ever since I saw that movie, I want to make a prism room somewhere. But my plan was, I thought these were glass, so I could start hanging them from the ceiling. So when the sun comes in through the window, I could have my prism room. But they're fucking plastic. It's not gonna work. This is the last thing I found at that thrift store. This is just a little bag. This eyeball, I see you. It was $2. That is so me. Wearing this outfit out today, I figured out that I'm a raver. I've always been a little raver. So I always need a little rave something in my outfits. This is so cute. These two things are from the next thrift store. Look, this is a bag of vintage lace trims. You know what I want to try to do with it? So I made all these guys that to sell. They were supposed to be bracelets, but I want to turn them into chokers because I think they look cuter as chokers. And I don't know what to attach, how to close them. So maybe some of these will help close these. These all say, you do not have time. I don't know if you ever heard me talking shit before about how, like, I'm so sick of these big companies who are pillaging us and ruining the world, and they have happy, positive messages all over everything. And it's just like, and then, so I want to put negative messages all over stuff, but I like to write the negative messages in a way that if you really dissect it, it actually means something very beautiful. I like to mind fuck people because you can take things at surface value. You could take me at surface value and just see some crazy fucking out of her mind weirdo. But if you know my heart, you know that there's like good gooey shit in there. So like I just like to butt fuck hero things. And so after my mom died, I was walking in the store and I saw these bracelets and it said, "You have time." And I just looked at them and I laughed and I said, "No, you don't have time." And so I made these bracelets, "You do not have time." And the positive part is, no, we don't have time. Nobody has time. Time is its own thing. Time comes and goes as it wishes. You cannot stop it. There's nothing you can do. You cannot control it. And just to try and do the best you can every day and not take things for granted anymore. Especially your fucking loved ones. Some of these are made out of plastic and some are made out of glass and crystal beads that I have sourced all secondhand from eBay and thrift stores. And so the plastic ones will be cheaper. I probably won't charge that much for them, but as soon as they're done, they'll be for sale on my website. Here's today's last little treasure. Look at this guy. Oh my god. I love collecting little animals. Look at your little Billy. Look at this little Billy right here. Oh, look at this Billy. Look at your little face. Oh, you're so cute. People are so talented. Somebody carved this. Look at his little butt. Thanks for watching my haul. Thanks for hanging out with me. Appreciate you. Love you.